Hey guys, it's your girl Grim here. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you want to see how I got this fun and easy watercolor look, definitely just stay tuned. So guys, this is some 613 blonde hair that I got from the Dula Hair, and I actually purchased my closure from a different company on AliExpress. I'll leave them both linked in the description box below, but we're just going to get started and spray our actual lace closure with the Got To Be Free spray. And we're doing this because with watercolor, you're pretty much just putting your color in hot water, so it'll transfer onto anything you dip into it. So you want to make sure that your closure, your frontal isn't coming out with all the color on it. And I'm using these ion colors. I actually didn't use the azure color. I actually just used the shark blue color, and I added in a little bit of my sky blue adore color. And you guys will see that in the video. But one thing that I will definitely say is I wouldn't go ahead and do like me and use a cream color during the watercolor process. I would stick to liquids only unless you're actually using piping hot boiling water. And me, y'all, your girl does not believe in boiling hair. That has never turned out good where I have seen it. So that's not my wave. I was pretty much using hot water, and then I did add a little bit of boiling water into the mixture just to kind of help, thin out that cream. But once I got the hair into it, you guys, when you'll see in a little bit in the video, and I really just started mixing it in and pressing the cream color into the water and the hair, it pretty much coated the hair perfectly. So I'm not really too mad at it, but it is a little bit easier if you are using a liquid hair color. And all these colors with the watercolor process that I'm using are semi-permanent colors, but the way the process is on the actual hair, it'll stick through as if it is permanent. And guys, I'm so happy that I found this actual little technique, because if you know me, then you know I sit here and I make wigs all day. I love experimenting in colors and everything, and sitting around coloring hair all day when I got work, I got school, I got wig orders, I have clients. It's just too much. I have my son. I can't do it. So this is like my main go-to now. Like, nobody should have ever told me about watercolor, because I will go back to buying my little liquid colors and stop saving at Sally's with these buy one get one half off with the ion, just so I can save me some time. Like, it literally takes 10 minutes time, and I'm pretty sure if you leave it in even longer, your color will be even more vibrant. That's what I really love about it. And of course, it works perfectly on 613 blonde hair. But I actually did watercolor another wig that I had made with red, and the color base that I had dyed it up to was only like maybe a brass orange, and it took perfectly. So you can actually watercolor regular honey blonde hairs and all that. Anything that has been bleached and lifted, you can color it with watercolor. But yeah, I'm just mixing it up, mixing it up. I feel like I was mixing forever and forever. I cut out so much for you guys. Like, seriously, I was mixing forever. But when you guys see how this color turns out, I'm telling you, we all gonna be on that watercolor wave. Okay guys, so I know you're looking at that water and you're a little bit scared, but remember I mentioned earlier, once the hair got in there and I really started working it through, those clumps definitely did disappear and start sticking to the hair, which is another reason why I say do not do cream color, because you have to really be careful, because if a clump sticks to the hair and it doesn't evenly distribute, then you kind of have spots in your hair. Now, unless you're going for something playful like that, you probably want to avoid that. Y'all, I probably didn't even have a smidget of color inside this. And you see I'm just dipping whatever I have left in that Adore bottle, shaking it up with the water and pouring it back in. But guys, I definitely don't want to be blabbering your ears off this whole time. But definitely be sure to comment below any type of wig tutorials or hair tutorials you guys like to see next, because I am trying to bring more to my channel for you guys. And of course, be sure to check out my website, madebygrim.com, so you can check out any of my custom wigs from my personal collection that I am actually having on sale, as well as contact me directly via email. That way you guys can hit me up about any custom wig orders and just shop my lash collection. Also, thumbs it up if you was feeling this video. That way I know to bring you guys some more wig tutorials. And definitely be sure to go ahead And just check out some of my other videos if you haven't already. And if you aren't subscribed to the Deandrea Grimm family, then what are you doing? Join us. We get to popping over here. I know I was gone for a while, but your girl was busy. You feel me? But nah, definitely just enjoy the rest of the tutorial. I hope you guys are really feeling the finished look once you guys see it, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye.